Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, and I've been sitting here, y'all, with something I just need to share. Not just as a business owner, but as a woman who's been in business for at least 15 years. Now, these past few weeks has felt different. Bidding on the cleaning contract for the university was really next level for us. It challenged me, stretched my company, and made me realize that KSC Commercial Cleaning is operating on a whole new playing field now. They haven't made a decision yet, but after they do, I'll tell you guys what I bidded. But the scale, the standards, the pressure, it was real. But so was our readiness, because I'm ready. And then being invited to speak on the REEF Entrepreneur Panel. Now, that moment hit different. Was sitting beside investors, lenders, and powerful business leaders. And if you guys seen the last video that I posted yesterday, I was sitting beside my sister, my younger sister, who is a developer and construction. She has her own developer. She's a developer. She has her own construction company and property management company. And if you guys, y'all need to see that video. But with some powerful leaders. But most importantly, I was at the table. And listen, and I realized that I built that seat. Not just for me, but for the cleaning industry in Pittsburgh. I built that seat. This is why I say go out there and let people know who you are. Because we don't always get recognized as essential. But I showed up, shared my voice, and made sure they saw us. Now that's what 15 years of hard work, consistency, and getting out there does. Shoot, I've been walking in doors that I was so uncomfortable in, bidding on contracts, networking, just showing up. And now those seeds are blooming. People know who I am. They even know what KSC stands for. And if you guys don't know what KSC stands for, KSC stands for Karen's Second Chance. I'm a 4-time brain aneurysm survivor who has survived 2 open brain surgeries. And they respect what we do. Now, these 2 moments, bidding that university job and speaking on that panel, has changed how I see my business. This isn't just a hustle anymore. It's a mission. And it never was a hustle. And this is what I'm trying to tell y'all. This is a real business. It's legacy work. And I finally feel like I'm walking in it fully. So to every entrepreneur who has been grinding quietly, wondering if it'll pay off, keep showing up. Keep speaking up, because someone is watching and your moment is coming. I finally feel it, y'all. I created a seat at the table for the cleaning industry in Pittsburgh. This is what 15 years of showing up looks like. Bidding on major contracts, speaking on entrepreneur panels, and turning second chances into lasting legacy. So you guys, let's keep building. Keep showing up. See you on the next video.